students, today we will start a new question, termination of contract. As you are knowing that there are two important person for us, that is bank and customer. Sometimes in this the problem is arise and the bank terminate the contract between the bank and customer. Termination of contract is very important. Our first point in termination of contract is a standing instruction. If the customer has given the standing instruction to the bank that he does not want to continue as a customer in the bank, so bank can suspend or terminate the account with the customer. Second point is if the customer direct the banker in writing to close his account. Here the customer is giving a letter to a bank that he does not want to continue as a customer, so he want to close his account, he want to take back his money. At this moment, with the procedure, the bank will close down the account or terminate the account of the customer because it is suggested by customer himself. Our third point here, if the account remain unoperated for a long period, the banker requests the customer in writing to operate the account or to terminate the account. This situation is very crucial. Sometimes the customer open the account but they are not using very frequently. Sometimes this gap become very large like 1 year, 2 year or 5 year. At this moment, the bank informed to the customer that if the customer want to continue, they can continue with the transaction, and if they want to take back their money, they can withdraw their account or they can close down their account. So bank is informing to the customer that if you are not using your account, then we have to terminate your account or close down the account. Very simple. If there is no need, then you can close down the account. If you're not using the account, then why you are keeping the account in the bank? So you have to close down the account. Moving towards our fourth point, that is the banker can close the account if bank finds that the customer is guilty. But obviously if bank feel that the customer is doing any illegal activity, he is guilty, he is not doing the right kind of activity, then in this situation bank can terminate the account of the customer, or bank can shut down the account, or bank can cancel the account of the customer, because the customer operation of account is very unsatisfactory for the bank. Our next, that is fifth point, if the banker gets a declaration of death of a customer, some emergency occurs, the death of the customer has happened. In this situation, the nominee will inform to the bank that there is a death of the customer. After getting the death certificate of the customer, the bank can do the next procedure, or the bank can give the whatever the amount is there in the account to the nominee of the customer. If the nominee of the customer want the amount, he can take back or he can open the new account in the same bank also. It depends upon the nominee. Next point in the termination of contract is if it is an order of the court or income tax department. As student, you are also knowing that the court or income tax department is very important person here. If court is giving any direction to the bank, if income tax department is giving any direction to the bank about the customer, that the customer cannot operate the account, or customer cannot withdraw the money from the account, or customer cannot deposit the amount in the account, so in this situation the bank have to follow the court order or income tax department order. Something, a wrong activity can be done by the customer, that's why only the court is giving the garnish order, or income tax department is not allowing to withdraw the money from the customer account. It is very important here, the bank is following all the rules and regulation given by the court or income tax department, so that bank is giving the instruction to the customer, bank is cancelling his account, bank is suspending the account, so that customer cannot operate the account, so that the customer cannot withdraw the money from the account, and customer cannot give check to any third party. So amount is actually blocked in the account. Next point in the termination of contract is point number 7. An individual customer may be declared bankrupt. Student, you are already knowing what is bankruptcy. Whenever the person does not have a money to pay back his liability, that person is called as a bankrupt. He has taken the lots of things, lots of loans, lots of debt, but he does not have money to pay back that debt. This situation is called as a bankruptcy. Suppose the customer is bankrupt and in his account there is no balance at all, then automatically there will be termination of contract or suspension of the contract. Company may be wind up under the provisions of law. You already knowing that a joint stock companies are there, various companies are there. If company is having the account with the bank and company is going to shut down his account, or company is going to shut down the company only, in this situation if there is no more company only, so that the account is also terminated by the bank. Means any situation, if any individual is in the problem or any company is in the problem, if they are not continue as a customer, then there will be termination of the contract. Last point for our termination of contract is a person of unsound mind. Very simple to say, if person is insane person. What is insane person? Insane person is person who cannot take his decision by his own, because his mind is not working properly. He is unable to take his decision because his mind is not stable. His mind is not working properly. So if this situation arises in the person life or customer life, if the person or that customer is not in a right position to take the decision, he is very insane person, his mind is unsound. In this situation, the bank can terminate the contract between the bank and customer, because the insane person or unsound mind person cannot take the decision about the finance, so that the bank can cancel the account or terminate the contract. I think I have made you clear, student, all the points about termination of contract. There are various things involved in the termination of contract. Any situation arise, the bank have to take decision about the customer, that the bank have to termination the contract or suspend the account. Thank you, student. Thank you very much.